I might be late to the game, but you know, let me know. Let me know if I'm late. So y'all seen this before? Okay, yeah, it's an ear of corn. But have you seen it as popcorn? Like, I can pop this in the microwave. Let me read the instructions. Remove a popping cob from all packaging. Place your popping cob in the brown paper bag and fold over in the bag. Microwave on high for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Stop at 1 to 2 seconds between pops. Okay. Remove the bag and then enjoy. So I'm going to put a whole ear of corn in a brown paper bag. All right, make sure you can't see my grocery list. I don't need y'all all up in my business. I'm removing from the packaging. And I believe that this is made from our ancestors because it didn't put the minutes on the bag. So, it didn't put the minutes and it didn't put the seasoning. So, basically, that means it's up for interpretation. And that's what, you know, how you cook. Exactly, from the heart, right? You cook from the... Oh, I thought that's what you said. Oh. Threw the whole corn on the cob in the bag. Fold over in the bag. I folded over to a respectable amount. I did 2 minutes, but you see the frames? You see the... It's giving Teacher Bay. I'm just saying, the link in my bio. 50% off. These got prescriptions in it, so... Oh, that... It's popping cob. I'm standing at a safe distance, y'all, because I want to have kids. I heard about the microwave waves. The cob is popping. The second... Oh, the bag open. Ah, nah, it's not folded over. Round 2. Boy, with the breathing, chill. I closed the bag tightlier. I thought about putting some foil on it, but then I was like, that might not be a good idea, so I didn't use foil. I recommend not using foil. Okay, we back in action. Ooh, that's less than 1 to 2 seconds in between. Oh, now I want to be popping a lot of seconds. I don't know. I'm scared. I don't know if it's enough or not enough. Okay, 2 more seconds. I don't want to burn it, but I don't want to undercook it. I don't want no raw meat. I mean popcorn. I put 20 more seconds. Okay, that's a lot of... Oh, the bag trying to open again. Why you doing that? Why you doing that? You supposed to be closed. Okay, I just don't wait. I got cooking hands, but I ain't gonna touch it. My mother... You hear him breathing? That's his version of a temper tantrum. Oh. It's back. Anyways, my mother wanted me to make some butter because it must smell unseasoned to her. That's what she basically said. She said it without saying it, so I'm about to get some butter boiled up. Link in the bio. Firmoo Glasses, 50% off. With my link. $6 first pair. I ain't gonna lie, I might use some of this butter. Now let me try already pop popcorn. All the cob is still hot. All the cobs ain't really even all the way popped though. I don't know if that's right or wrong. Look at it. Oh, well, it's a lot. It's hot. It's like, that's how it look. Them kernel things is hot. It's still some left. I don't know. I might try to pop it in another bag. We'll see how adventurous I'm feeling. My behind acting like it take a long time to melt butter. I almost forgot to turn the eye off. But, I'm about to season this corn on the cob. Let me see if you can see anything. Right there. Oh, right there. Woo! Guess I won't be doing what I did. Good thing I took a little bite before I tried to do this part. Okay, round 2. Got the butter here. I'm gonna put a little bit of the butter seasoning in the butter because it's obviously named butter seasoning because you're supposed to season butter with it, right? Oh, okay. That was my logic. I don't know about you. That was my logic. Now, let's mix that in. That's not a spoon. You got Halloween special spoons? Okay. My mom tasted it before the butter and she said that it needs butter and salt. So that tastes like, I don't know how to explain it. So anyway, it's butter. Tastes like melted butter, no seasoning. Oh, little spillage there, but that's what dogs are for, the spillage. Okay. put a little bit more of this one on. I held my breath so I don't need salt. Good after the salt. I'm gonna try it. This ain't bad though. It's fun to make.